If var and var2 equals getSomeValue in Python, if the first is false, is the second statement evaluated?
I have some code like this. This could be in a single expression.
But getSomeValue can only be called if var is true. So, when calling if var and var2 equals getSomeValue, are both evaluated by the interpreter, or the evaluation stops at var if false?
Where I can find this information on Python documentation? I didn't know what to search ...
This is called short-circuiting, and Python does it, so you're good. Update, here's a quick example. Update 2, putting the relevant pep, 308, in my answer so it doesn't get overlooked in the excellent comment from it somebody still uses you me estás.
If var is false, evaluation stops. See the short circuit behavior section in PEP 308.
The second item isn't evaluated. You could verify this with a simple program. Running it produces no output, so you can see that boo is never called.
I didn't know what to search. You don't need to search when there's an index available. Browse to the Python homepage. Successively click on Documentation, Current Docs, Index, it's in the top right corner, A. Scroll down until you see You don't want bitwise, click on Operator. If you are on Windows, you have the manuals on your computer, with a nice enough GUI interface. Check out the contents, index, search, favorites panes near the top left corner.